Hi there, and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to activate promotions for your website bookings using the Bookingjini Channel Manager. Promotions are a great way to increase direct bookings, reduce OTA commissions, and boost your overall profit. They also help build better guest relationships and improve brand loyalty. So let's get started. First, log in to your Bookingjini Channel Manager account. From the left-hand menu, click on Booking Engine. Now, select the Promotions tab. Here, you'll find different types of promotions like Basic, Early Bird, Last Minute, and Same Day. Let's go ahead and add a basic promotion. Click on Basic, and you'll be taken to a page showing all the active promotions. To add a new one, click on New Promotion. A pop-up will appear. Now, enter the promotion name, choose the room type and meal plan, and set the discount percentage. Then, select your booking dates and stay dates. Once you've filled in all the details, hit Save. That's it. Your promotion is now active and will automatically show up for guests during the booking process on your website. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out to our support team using the contact details provided. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials right here on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and happy booking.